Yes, you saw the title right. I found a cicada nymph. Let me just tell you a quick story. So, this was my second day looking for cicada nymphs. Cicada nymphs are cicadas in their shells. I was looking around my grandparents' backyard in Japan, looking for cicada nymphs. I was starting to give up and decided to come back later. Then, I moved my flashlight towards the wooden fence. And there is was. The cicada nymph was looking for the right spot to take its shell off. And I took it inside my grandparents' house and put it on the curtains in the bedroom. T needs a dark and safe place to take its shell off. Now let's continue this video.
I think. Hello. Found a cicada nymph. So dark. Hello. It's so adorable. Time to bring it home with me. I didn't see this like 10 minutes earlier.
It's safe in my hand. I'm carrying it carefully, so don't worry. Oh my god! Did you just see that transition? It was so smooth. Now I am just asking my grandpa where I should put it. So I put the cicada on the curtains in a dark bedroom. Hope it likes its spot. Look at it going upside down like an angel. I think I scared it. Come on, my little baby. Oh my! After I showed him to my family, I put Bob on the tree and he flew away. Now it is happy to be free.